In today's video, I'm doing 3 new tricks, or at least 3 things I've never done in my life. I got smoked skating that ledge, but I've been ducking it for a long time. Now, I started off trying to learn front feeble. Anybody who's ever tried this on a ramp, it's extremely hard to get out of, even if you get in. But I never had actually tried it. I watched Dan Corrigan do it, and I wanted to do it ever since then, and I'm so close. Yo, I think I can get it if I keep my shoulders turned to the left. Now I can turn them. Let's go! Standing on business. My first front feeble on transition ever, man. Yo, that's crazy. I'm so hype on this, yo. I couldn't find nobody to teach me the trick because I don't know nobody could do it, but I literally just figured it out, man. I'm so hyped.
Okay.
All right, that was new trick number 1. Now, I always wanted to ollie over one of these humps. Now, it's easy to do it when it's triangular, but if you ever try to ollie over a rounded one into the other thing, it's not easy.
Oh, that was better.
Let's get it. That was like 4th try. I didn't record some of the other tries, but I definitely got it, man, and I figured it out. You gotta pop at the exact right moment. It seems like such a small thing, but like this is something I've been wanting to do for a while. Like imagine just never rolling over one of those again. All of them you just pop over. It just adds something dope to like your skating. Now this ledge, I try it every time because it's like high thigh high. Like look how big this ledge is. You almost have to ollie waist high to get up on it. It's very high. But this is the ledge that like keeps my pop jumping, dude. I feel like if I could do this, I could do any ledge. Let's get it. All right, man. Yeah, this is definitely the biggest ledge I've ever 50-50, man. This is a really big ledge.
Let's go.
All right, now that I learned how to ollie over that hump, I'm going to try to go over the hump and then try to 50 the ledge in a run. So hump the 50. There we go. Let's get it. Yo, I'm more hype about ollieing over the hump than anything. A kickflip over it would be so crazy, though. I've got my nose slide to fakie going pretty good lately. I've been doing it down hubbas, which y'all will see soon. All right, now for this. I've always been afraid to do the A-frame to this hubba. This hubba's high, this hubba's long. The A-frame is not really steep enough to launch you, so you got to pop the most stupid waist-high ollie imaginable. Look how high I'm ollieing, and it's still not enough. I'm trying to see if I can even ollie high enough to do it. So I told my son James, watch when I ollie and tell me am I at least high enough to get onto this ledge. And that wasn't. It was high, but it wasn't high enough. So James was like, you was close, but do one more, man. Let me see. And this is where it got sketchy. Somehow, while I was in the air, I started looking at the ledge to see if I was high enough instead of paying attention to my feet.
You hurt so bad? Was I high enough?
What's up, Rena?
I told her she was a slow turtle, so she's so slow. Oh, she
Why do you call mommy a slow turtle?
Because she's walking slow.
She gotta keep up with my path.
Kids don't understand the older you get, the slower you get.
Feel like I can get it. This will be my first time ever doing this. Bump to this. 50 down this.
All right, now I'm gunning it. That's the first time I tried to get on the ledge. All the other ones I was just ollieing, but that time I really tried to get on it. Got the big ollie. He might go. Oh. Uh-oh. No. The leg twisted by high beat, hit the ledge. Everything just went so bad. It felt so good at first. I got hurt, but I'm going to run it back right here. It's like you got to pop a waist-high ollie almost to get on top of this thing. Period. I was so close that it snapped me into savage mode. Everything I've been through comes down to this moment. Can I do it? Let's go! Standing on business. That's the scariest 50 I've ever done in my entire life. With the highest pop I've ever had to do to get to one. Like, that was scary. It's not like going on a regular bank to ledge. First of all, it's super high, it's super long, and you got to pop up at an angle and come back down at an angle, man. This was hype, man. I'm happy I got it done. Will I do it again? I don't know.
Yo, another first timer, dude. First time I ever did a gap. Oh, thank the on the A-frame, the down ledge. That was sick.
And this is just a recap of the tricks that happened in the video.
Oh, there we
That was better.
go. Let's go. Let's go.
Supporting the video, man. And I want to remind you, every single time that you go skating, do something new. It doesn't got to be another new trick. It could be you do your ollies better. You figure out your shoves. You kickflip higher. You learn how to kickflip or shove onto something. You learn how to do something off something new. Something different needs to happen every single time you touch the board or you're not doing it right. Don't get out there and start doing everything you're comfortable with all day and you're not going to progress like that. I mean, if you're comfortable with it and you just like doing the same things, hey, listen, this stuff I'm saying ain't for everybody. Some people just like cruising, and if that's you, man, cruise on, bro. You know what I'm saying? Enjoy your cruise. But then there's people that want more thrills, and that's me. I'm actually hurt right now. I'm pretty sure oh man, tore something. I gotta go to the hospital and see. But it feels like my disc is ruptured. It's crazy. I fell so hard, bro, and I'm tough, but this one was rough, yo. And I knew it was bad, but when I got home, I'm like, man, I couldn't move, I couldn't bend, I couldn't walk, I couldn't turn, I couldn't move around in the bed. Now I'm getting around. 2 days later, it feels a little bit better. But yeah, man, it's gonna be a month or two before I can get it back on the board. Man, I can't even bend over, dude. Either way, I'm saying that to say, man, you know, it's safer just to cruise. People who be cruising, they always safe. I got some homies, they never got injuries, bro. It's way safer, gang. But if you like want to be on the edge, then every time you get out there, do something new, do something that scares you, do something that challenges you. Look at the people that are in your group that started with you and see where they at and then engage it. And try to step above that level, man. See what everybody else is doing and go up. And that's all I'm going to say. You know what I'm saying? Don't get comfortable. All that stuff, a lot of tricks that I see people doing all day during a session, them should just be your warm-ups only. Do those, warm up, get in the zone, then start trying harder tricks. Don't just stay there every time you come to the park. We see the same 5 and 10 tricks. And I ain't hating or telling you there's something wrong with that. But I'm telling you, if you were a person who wants to progress faster at skating, then you can't do that. Now, if you just want to chill, I ain't talking to you. But if you want to progress faster, then you need to listen to me on this. And you need to, what you think is fear, you need to replace that with, this is excitement. This is a hack right here. You got to trick yourself into thinking this is exciting. I believe it's exciting. I am actually truly excited and not scared. There are times I'm scared, and then it'll turn into excitement. I don't know. I don't want to go too deep or too far, man. But keep progressing, y'all, man. Thank y'all for supporting the vids. As I always say, YouTube, it's a lot going on. I always say I'm gonna get into it but I don't want to because I feel like that's gonna make it crazier. But yeah, man. Thank you for watching the vids. New stuff coming up. I got my Shove 50 going crazy. I figured it out on Bank the Ledges. Y'all gonna see that soon, man. Savage Life, let's go!